This conference will now be recorded.
Hey, Howard Hanna. So another virtual real estate edition of the Tech Tip. This is similar. I'm going to do about 3 of these on how to schedule out posts. So a lot of people are just kind of sitting at home, maybe looking for something to do with the time. And I would suggest you schedule out your social media posts through the end of the year if you wanted. You could schedule through a couple months, couple weeks, however you want to do it. But there's a lot of easy ways to do this. So I'm going to show you the way through the Facebook scheduler. So right now I'm on my page. I think we've probably seen this if you've been to any of my live trainings. I'm going to click at the top where it says Publishing Tools. So right here we see this Create. I'm going to click on that. And now I've already picked, I'm choosing between a Tuesday housing tip for DIY projects or a small business Saturday post, but I think we should support the small businesses right now. So I found that link. I'm going to paste it. All right, and I'm going to say a little something here. Don't forget to support your small businesses, especially and I'm going to put Van Aken District because it is a cool little spot that everyone has been hashtagging. And I'm going to put Small Business Saturday, and there I have it. So right here you see the Share Now. I'm going to change that to Schedule. And since this is Small Business Saturday, I want to support on the 28th. Let's do it maybe a little bit around lunchtime-ish. And I'm going to hit Schedule. And I'm going to put one more little hashtag in here. And maybe I'll just put most places are. And I'll hit schedule, and now it's scheduled for Saturday. And then over here, I'll see scheduled posts. It's going to be here. It's going to show me that's going out on March 28th at 12:30. And there you go. You can schedule out till the end of time.